Happy summer from the Red Bank Public Library. Welcome to Power Play, our Art as Therapy series. Today, we're going to show you how to create your own circle of life, also known as a wellness wheel. This is a tool that people use to help them prioritize what matters most to them, and it can help them identify parts of their life that need more attention. You can get your own circle of life worksheet from the library porch, or we could send it to you digitally. All you have to do is email us at redbanklibrary@gmail.com with the subject head Power Play, and then just tell us that you would like a copy of the worksheet. You're going to be rated aspects of your life on a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being poor and 5 being the best. You don't need to think hard about this. Just put down the first rating that comes for your mind for each section. Then you can color the sections of the worksheet to match your ratings. You could be as creative as you wish. You could fill out this worksheet using colored pencils and markers, or you can use small pieces of colored paper to make a mosaic. It really depends what you want to do and what you have time for. First, write your ratings on a scrap piece of paper just in case you want to make any changes. I'm going to be asking you some questions as we go through each section to help you decide on how you would rate that section of your life. You don't need to answer all of them, or any of them. They're just there to help you form a picture. There's no stress with this project. And remember that these aren't facts. They're ratings based on your emotions in the moment. You could do this wheel a few months from now and you can have totally different results. Let's start with the physical section, which focuses on your body. Now, here's some things to consider. Do you get enough sleep? Do you feel good most days, or do you feel like you're having trouble keeping up? Do you get sick a lot? Do you exercise or have movement in your life? And do you have a balanced diet most days? Next is financial, which focuses on how you feel about your income. Are you satisfied with your current situation? How about for your future? Do you feel secure? And do you feel that you have enough financially to survive? And do financial problems occupy your thoughts often, or are you for the most part comfortable? Next, we're doing intellectual, which deals with your lifelong education. For instance, are you curious or engaged to learn new things? Do you allow yourself time for reading or researching your interests? Are you mostly aware of social or political views? Have you joined a club or a group that helps you grow in your knowledge of your interests? And are you always trying to better yourself? Next is recreational, which means, are you having any fun? Do you have any hobbies that you participate in, or do you visit or travel places? And do you allow yourself unstructured time to just be present? Then there's social. Do you interact with your family, friends, and coworkers? How often? And when was the last time you visited someone, or just talked on the phone, or did FaceTime with them? And just remember that being social means something different for everyone. Some people like to get together with people a lot, and some are okay with just seeing people every once in a while, and that's okay. The important thing is that you feel satisfied. Then there's emotional. Do you ever take the time to process your feelings? Are you aware of your feelings most of the time? Do you manage your stress levels well? And do you have someone you can go to for help if you need it? Now we're looking at your environment, which is anything that's in your surroundings. Do you feel safe and secure? Is your space clean or cluttered? Do you have a place where you can have privacy? Do you have a space that's just yours? Are there a lot of stresses in your environment? And where do you feel the most at peace? Lastly, there's the occupational section. Whether you have a job or you're still in school, do you feel like you're doing well? Do you feel fulfilled? Do you enjoy going to work or school, or do you dread it? For either answer, ask yourself why that is. And do you get along with your coworkers or fellow students, your boss or your teacher? When you look at your ratings, you'll notice that some areas in your life are stronger than others. If there are some sections where the ratings are low, you might want to explore if there are any changes you can make. You can even make another wheel just to focus on that one section. For instance, if your environmental section was low, you might want to create a wheel with mini sections with different environments that you're in, like home, school, and work. And then you can rate them so you can narrow down the areas you need to work on in order to be more satisfied. Thank you so much for joining us in today's Power Play Artist Therapy series. The next one will be on Saturday, August 7th. We hope to see you soon!